No. We know there needs to be a connection between father and son. No, wait. Chicken licken is not connected. No. We know there needs to be a connection between father and son. No, wait. Chicken licken is not connected. No. We know there needs to be a connection between father and son.
Guys, let's watch some of the members a podcast and chill. They were just chilling here. I'm thinking they were playing 30 seconds the way uSola kade memeza ngakhona. So laphana siyabona ukuthi sibona uSol Phenduka obviously. Nangiya uMake G. Nangiya unalady wife kaMake G behind uSol Phenduka with the glasses. I'm assuming ukuthi lo gqoke ikapisi elibovu Ghost Lady, but I am not 100% sure. Lo oyinwele ngabe ngithi husband ka Ghost, but nah, I don't think so. Maybe khuluma ngaye mengimcabanga, he doesn't look like this. That's just my opinion. Guys, they were having fun. You can tell how I wish I was there. They were celebrating a birthday ya Make G. So guys, let's go through the comments. Utilona, 30 seconds. Yes. Obokwazi ukuthi mangabe abantu mememeza kanje is 30 seconds. They are playing a game and it's definitely 30 seconds. And you know Sol. Sol doesn't want to lose. He doesn't want to lose at all. Utilona, Sol will never phenduka. And uSol, and uyambona nje laphana ukuthi ulit and may lit uba loud. And beside ukuthi loud, 30 seconds vele. Ngisho kuthiwa umuntu ophansi, angeke ungamemezi, trust me. Mawukuthi wakudla 30 seconds, you'll know ukuthi lapha kuyamenyezwa kwaphela. Kumele uchaze, uyachaza. Kuyachaza lapha. I love the game. Noviolist. Hey, uSol, guys, he's such a vibe. Yo, how I wish one day I can just chill with him. Noma ngase mina naye mhlambe kube khona naye la ngizobe ngchile khona nje yabo sichile kube mnandi kube khona Sol. Any topic that has to do with food and Sol is around, trust me. He's the winner already. Yeah, shuthi lo ucabanga ukuthi uSol loves food, and yazi laphana bakhuluma nge-chicken licken. Hey, I really want ile video nayo ivele yabamfishane kakhulu. Yabona nje ucameraman usirobhile because I was very interested ukuthi bebekhuluma ngani. Uthi lona, you cannot argue with Sol about food. Hey guys, nifuna ukuthini? uSol, he's a foodie. He loves food. Indoda enjani vele engakuthandi ukudla? Indoda must eat. As a man, you must love food. You must eat. Yeah. Sinomsindo isidudla mesike sadakwa. Yo, Nkosi yami uSol waze washa Sol. Uyacabanga ukuthi uwumuntu odaliwe vele ukuthi loud. Mase usuphuzile uba louder. Udlala 30 seconds ube loudest. Yeah, I just wanna hang with Sol just once, bro. Bro, that is me. I want to set up akudlala music. Guys, I love 30 seconds, but unfortunately I don't have friends that I can play with. Oh, I love ayikho igame. Ayikho igame engi-enjoy njengo 30 seconds. I love it. Like just chill indoors, no music. No more music. Lele pants music, and then we just chill and play 30 seconds while we are sipping or snacking. Ooh, gosh. Utilona Naledi is like the coolest wife. Oh yes. Yes. Oh, that's nje uphansi nje. I agree. She's giving the coolest wife. Uyambona nje uyihlala laphayana ifakile ibuko, minding your own business, or smoking a habli. Uthi lona ghost lady with a red cap. Nami guys ngicabanga ukuthi ghost lady loyana. Ngicabanga ukuthi uyena like ngathi nje ghost lady. But guys asinayo show. Meg G always looks shabby, yet he is a multi-millionaire. Guys ngiyabaza abantu abanemali ukuthi yabo they chilled nje barelaxile nje. Yabo mase nje ubone uSphiwe no Meg G uzombona ukuthi uMeg G ngeke ubone ukuthi uMeg G unemali. I don't know what I'm explaining, but anyway, uthi lo ghost lady on red. Yabo baningi abantu abacabanga ukuthi ghost lady lo ofake i-cap e-red, so it's possible ukuthi uyena ngempela, because there is no way ukuthi singabaningi angasicabanga into eyodwa. Nami ngicabanga ukuthi uyena, but asazi. Nalady minding her own business at the back. Yes, when a wifey. I think I saw Meg G, Sol, Ghost Lady, Naledi, Great Jabezi, and Munaka, Ghost Lady's husband. Angazi mina, I did not see Munaka, and I don't know who Great Jabezi. And which one is Ghost Lady's husband? Lo husband ka Ghost Lady doesn't give me the vibes like that. I don't know why. I don't know him, but we've heard a lot about him. But he doesn't. I don't think he looks like that. But Asas, let's look again.
No. We know there needs to be a connection. No way. Chicken Little is not connected. No. We know there needs to be a connection.
The only one ongambona uMunaka lana. Yeah, Utilona Meg G was telling the truth that he doesn't want celebrity friends. And angiboni ngisho lodwa celebrity la. Angiboni ngisho lodwa. I don't think he does have celebrity friends. He just know people who are celebrities. Ghost Lady is beautiful, Mara. Yeah, she is beautiful. No manje simbona kancane, but yeah, she looks great. If kuwuthi uyena ngempela guys, we are assuming, but ngathi uyena because ngikhumbula futhi simbona ngesikhathi kune show laphana ngesikhathi uMeg G as a proposer kunaledi. I think I saw Ghost Lady's face that day. These guys are not acting shame. Lutho, they are not. This is how they are. Talking is their talent. Exactly. So I should about mangabe belo be shoot laphayana ku podcast and chill. Basuke beyibona. They become themselves. They are not acting for the camera. So bad. Who's sitting behind Meg G? That is Naledi, the wife. That's the one ohleli emva Meg G. She looks very beautiful in that video. I don't want to lie. She looks good. She looks great. Yeah, that's Naledi sitting behind Meg G, not behind Sol. Let me check. She's sitting behind Sol. Yeah, that is Naledi with the glasses. They speak so loud. Haibo. Lalela we babes phela vele mangabe udla 30 seconds, you're going to be loud. There is no way. You are going to be loud. If I hold out 30 seconds, you know what I'm talking about. The girl in the back, busy thinking, why am I here? I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. I just think Naledi Vele she's just like a cool person. You know, she's chilled. Yeah, I think she was just listening, you know. So make agree with Sol behind the scenes too. I thought he does it for the numbers only. Kuyacaca ukuthi basuke benga-act laphaya. Basuke nje beyibona which is good. Utsi nje lona, I am that girl smoking happily at the back. That is Naledi, guys, the Meg G's wife. Okay, guys, kwaze kwamnandi. How I wish I was part of them, or ngakube kumngani kaSol at least. Anyway, guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching.